Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Hava Airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So those who had staked Cosmos, Celestia, Juno, Injective, Osmosis or Chihuahua tokens would be eligible for this airdrop. Now there is a very short window in order to claim this airdrop, and to be honest I have staked all of these tokens in the list. Now I am eligible for multiple airdrop on Hava. So I will exactly show you. For example, I will show you my Leaf wallet and I will copy this Cosmos address over here and simply paste it, and I will go ahead and check the status. Now if you go to stake over here, as you can see you are unable to stake these tokens as of now. So I will exactly show you what you can do in order to go ahead and stake it in the future. Now this was for the Cosmos address. Now let's check for Injective or TIA. Maybe we'll check for TIA first, and I will go in Celestia and copy my address over here and paste it. Now I am also eligible for Neem airdrop. This thing is not loading. Let me try to refresh this and hopefully paste the TIA address. As you can see on TIA I've got like a small boost. I think it's a similar one. Let me check for Injective. I'll quickly refresh this again, and I will go and copy my Injective address and check status. As you can see, for Injective I am eligible for around 410 Hava tokens. Now the problem with claiming this airdrop is basically it's only supporting yqLvRr wallet. Now if you are using yqLvRr wallet and have staked different tokens on the Cosmos ecosystem, it's perfectly fine. You can simply go ahead and connect your yqLvRr wallet. Now if you are using Leaf wallet like me, in this case what you will need to do is basically you will need to create a new yqLvRr wallet, and you will need to import your Leaf wallet into that new yqLvRr wallet, and then you can go ahead and connect your yqLvRr wallet over here. Now if we go ahead and paste it again, as you can see you are not able to claim or stake it. So what you will need to do is you will need to select this window, airdrop, opt-in, and here you will need to connect your yqLvRr wallet. So as you can see it's only connecting to 3 chains, and now I'm not sure what needs to be done for the other chains as well. Like there is no TIA over here, there is no Chihuahua, there is no Juno. So I will, for now you have to simply connect your wallet and click on opt-in. Now the window is very short because as you can see opt-in window ends on April 3rd 2024 at 13:20 GMT. Now we have to quickly go ahead and do the opt-in because I think only few hours are left, I think so, and if not then it should be already over. So this is how you can go ahead and claim Hava airdrop, and it should be a decent airdrop because the staking APR for Hava should be on a very high side, similar to the other Cosmos coins and tokens. And to be honest, I've been staking and making a decent amount on Dojo Swap and Injective protocol and also Hydro protocol. So this is all for Hava Airdrop protocol video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.